Hello and welcome to E! Prime. I'm Daedran. The 11th season for popular television show Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall was recently launched. The new season commences January 20 next year with just a few changes.
True me a Japanese, some of them vex. People them rate me, them vex. Jamaica love me, them vex. Me have the quality, them vex. Nobody can test.
Nah, my no man. So brother look at work me now, my no man. So as you know me moving like the Chinese man. And want me money close to me and this me why you understand.
Magnum Tonic Wine is dancehall, and Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall is still the only mainstream TV show, right, that showcases new dancehall talent. Over the last 10 years, what this show has done is allow people who know they have talent to prove it to Jamaica. And our contestants who have decided to make music a career can attest to that the publicity that they have received from being on live TV for weeks on end has helped them claim a piece of the dancehall space. For our auditions starting in November, we will be starting a little bit later. So we start at 12 o'clock. Right, on a Saturday. Now, this will facilitate more persons being able to travel from across the island to come to the various auditions. And we'll also have the auditions when they're auditioning in front of the main judges. That will be a stage show format. So we're encouraging people, fans of the show who live around the area, who want to actually see their contestants from their area perform before the TV show starts in January.
Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall auditions will begin November 18 in Savannah Lamar, November 25 in Ocho Rios, and the auditions will then move to Portmore Heart Academy on December 2, to Lance Total in Maypen on December 9, and wraps at the Randy Williams Entertainment Centre December 13. The Wailers Band is announcing their UK 2018 tour. The announcement comes as a follow-up to the recently concluded tour in March. The 2018 tour will be steered by founder Aston Family Man Barrett, joined with the original Wailers, Junior Marvin and Donald Kingsley. The Wailers Band will perform 14 dates across some of the UK's major cities. The tour kicks off in Newcastle on March 2 and culminates in London on March 17. The UK tour will see the Wailers play the iconic Legend album live in its entirety. More Vybz Kartel collaborations. International producer Russian has confirmed the latest Vybz Kartel collaboration. After days of speculating, the popular producer took to Instagram to share the news of the Vybz Kartel Cardi B collab, which will be produced by his Head Concussion Records label. Cardi B is no stranger to the dancehall culture and music, having worked previously with Shaggy, Popcorn and Conscience. On the international scene, Beyonce is ranked on Forbes magazine's most powerful women in media and entertainment list. Queen Bee secured the number 4 spot thanks to her critically acclaimed Lemonade album and the Formation World Tour, which grossed over $250 million. Beyonce was the highest entertainer this year. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.